West Palm Beach. I'm checked into my room, about to head out to the Ultra Ball Pokemon drag race and rave. I have my hoagie and I'm excited about eating that after a long night of vending. I stopped to pick up my hoagie from Las Fadas before hitting the road to West Palm Beach. And that's my favorite thing. It's a ritual of mine I'm getting in the habit of enjoying. So yeah, I got my buffalo chicken hoagie. I ate a quarter of it on the road and I'm about to eat a quarter of it now. And then I have the last half of it after a night of vending to check in. But I am missing a dessert, so I do need to find one of those. I'm on the hunt for a dessert for the evening so that when I check into my room tonight after a long night of vending.
Where's my sandwich?
I have a nice dessert to go with my buffalo chicken hoagie from Las Fadas. I also stopped to pick up a coffee from 7 Brew, coffee shop drive-through that I also make a habit of stopping at in West Palm Beach to enjoy my weekends here. And so I have an iced coffee with cold foam from there. And also something I think I'm going to enjoy tonight is the gym. There's a gym in this hotel.
Fat Halpert, Jim Halpert.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my Jim Halpert on.
We got Fat Jim Halpert here
At this hotel gym and see what that's all about and go for a quick run. See what their weights look like. I also have my yoga mat in the car because I want to hit the beach tomorrow on the way down. So I have my fitness mat here for the room to maybe do some Pilates and some yoga in the room. And I've got the gym downstairs, so I'm going to check that out. I'm going to finish my coffee, eat the quarter of my hoagie, and then go for a run. That sounds like a vibe to me. And so, yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I'll see y'all in West Palm later tonight. And stay groovy.
Sat down, and I was like jacking up.
You don't love this.
Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I'm not gonna say anything, and I wasn't going to. And then the girl looked at me like this. I'm like, I don't give a fuck who she is. He's rude. Mom, I'm not wanting you.
No, don't go down to that club, please.
It's my birthday. I want to do what the fuck I want to do.
It's her birthday.
Me because I was rude to some dumb girl. I don't care.
If you go down there, there's gonna be a war.
It's my birthday. Hello.
Thinking us, science of it, racing through reasons for it. Pulling on the systems is too late. I don't need nothing to weigh me down inside. Drowning in search of filthy eyes. I know it's crazy. passion inside. I know you feel it too. Recently felt risking and doubted. Or is it no? Isn't this original? Flashing lights if I just don't know. This is just fine. This is to say. Flash through the filtered lies to feel this way. Holding on to feelings too, to feel the same. Imaginate no holding on. Risking away. Will I be okay?
The reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is the time, then I got plenty of it. I'll dedicate all my songs unto you only, babe. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you off, and let you know everything will be alright. Down, down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you, no matter the time of day or night. It's true, yeah. I wanna be. Got to be down, please. I'm feeling everything. All of my body getting shows. I'm feeling controlling. I'm feeling raising. I'm feeling. It's like a nightmare that I'm living. First I took my legs, then I lost it. I took my arm, then I hard that. Then I put my heart in and it came back running. The machine, every dream I had, every download off my back. That's what you don't see behind the screen. But tonight I'm breaking free. Hey, bounce. Right, yeah. I'm breaking out, yeah. Now, right. Hey, all alone. All that I wanted to do was to play my part. But it's by design to lose your mind and break your heart. Ooh, just when I thought I got free, I discovered a flaw inside the dream, like a lesson I gotta repeat. I put my leg in it and flew back, then I put my arm in it and bruised that, then I put my heart in it and learned that ain't for me, yeah. So I give my dreams everything. me get away. Let me get away. Thank you so much. His heart's been torn, his love's been worn, and I ask, all I ask is, why won't he allow himself to love? Why won't he allow himself to be loved? Why won't he allow himself to breathe? Why won't he allow himself to be grieved? Why won't he allow himself to leave? Why won't he allow himself to be needed? Why won't he allow himself to love? Who told him he wasn't allowed to love? Why won't you allow yourself to be loved? Why won't you allow yourself to be grieved? Why won't you allow yourself to be needed? Why won't you allow yourself to love? Who told you you couldn't love? 'Cause I could never hate you, like God could never hate you, and I can still forgive you, like God could forgive you, if you've been right. It's not because you're right, and I would never hate myself. God wouldn't hate himself, and I can forgive me, like God would forgive me. It's my human right. It's not because I fight. It's not because I'm right. You could never make me, so all you did was break me. But little did you know that it only made me grow. And it only let me know that you did it for yourself. You did it for yourself. So I love you from the distance. I love you from the shell. And I could never hate you, 'cause God would never hate you. Yes, I still forgive you. God still forgives you. It's your human right. It's not because you fight. It's not because you're right. And I would never hate myself. God wouldn't hate himself. And I can still forgive myself. God, please forgive me. It's my human right. It's not because I fight. It's not because I'm right. And I will never hate you, 'cause God will never hate you. And I can still forgive you, like God will forgive you. It's not because you're right. It's just your human right.
So it's called Relapse. I'm running fast, light shines, running laps. This ain't a race. I'm drinking back, my heart's stone, nothing to worry, I'm okay. For you the nightstand, for you the last stand, honey, you're okay. Running on the way, 'cause you know I ain't on friendship. Fuck you, what's this friendship? I don't really need nothing, just hit it in the day. And maybe in the nighttime, maybe more for my time. I'm just here to right mind. I'm just trying to find mine. Can we be the
We gon' have some fun. Drink some sparky, listen. Fly yourself up. Make yourself a difference. Bitches out here with their tits out. Calling our cars when I fist out. First you get the money, the respect, and the power. And the O's come next, straight out of this now. Stacking my money, call me the Swiss house. Running with money and in the bitch now. Liquor and flow, water and flow. Nothing that matters to me, just money and power. I'm on to put you in niggas out. Falling in time, I don't. Taking shots in the back, never looking back. Not going home, bitch. Fuck about it. Fuck if you know, I fucking don't live for the rush and the fuck. Drink strong, you can find me in the snow. I'm on the rotate. Find me in the moment. I think this may be fate. Baby, it's okay to dance the night away. I can feel you in distance. This ain't no intermission. I just need your existence. I can feel you coming, running through my existence. You just beyond my wishes. Just need your ambitions. I can feel you coming. I still know nothing but just now. I made it all in addition. You're like no remission. I get caught up in vision. I can feel you coming. Beat on up, stream on. Never gonna put another quarter in the fucking downtown. Cause I gotta stream myself. Fuck it. Falling in this is ambition. Watch me free myself. Focus full advantage. Take advantage. Let's go deep. Come and keep, come and come. They love me all night. They love me all long. I rock you like Mike. Your eyes go all white. Strong, stay tight. You dance in my time. I'ma just be like it. Not to feel like it. But to be like this. See me coming from another way. Disadvantage in another place. Gotta run this on the lake. And it's the last song. Download tonight, free unreleased shit. It's called On the Way, OTWA. Yo, UFO Dixie. You know she might twist it. What's good? Don't know how we blitz it. Doing everything cause you know I go blizzard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go yourself. Yo, ja. Come on, here go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Know your deal, yo. Go. You know we gon' get. Hey. What's up? Pushing the bill, you know we gon' put it on place. Let's go. Put beats in the bill, you know we gon' put it on place. Bitch be lying with a bitch and a giant. Mixed blood with the lion. Watch this. Fucking Trump in the body. We gon' get it running. We gon' keep it live. Yeah. You know. Yeah. We can fly. Let me smoke a little way. Let me smoke a little way.
Sorry.
Let me smoke a little way. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I be out here at night. Woo. Yo, I was about to drop freestyles. I was ready. Y'all gave me the mic. I wasn't playing.
Keep the rap business. Going back and forth with you niggas since they finished. I be smoking loud packs while I'm sipping on the scrimmage. Bitch, I said what I said and I mean it now. When you see me in the streets, remember you don't know me. Just for everyone around that you don't approach me. Pop your motherfucking top and we leave it slow. Don't just as fucking broke for you motherfuckers free. Hit 'em. Hey. Hit 'em.
Hendrix. Pouring out the pint, it got me feeling real splendid.
Bad little bitch, but she's so damn pretentious. Bitch make me nervous like the motherfucking dentist.
I can go to the club cause all them hoes plastic. Damn, I heard you lost your bag, nigga, that was drastic. Catch me in the trap, busting bags of purple candy. Berler Skrrp on the track, and we rap Miami.
In North Miami, just won a Grammy. Posted with no bitches, she ain't got no pay.
I was in Thailand walling at the bucket and they banned me. Posted with the rock stars, she know where the band's be. We taking off from the hate, now ain't tryna get a mention. After years of feeling lost, finally found some direction.
Posted with your bitch, yeah, she give me an erection. Back in high school, I would always get detention. Two Spanish bitches trip up, yeah, they dancing. Rock star, yeah, feel like I'm Marilyn Manson.
I was in Broward, skipping school, smoking on a. I can never say broke, cause my queen is expensive. Now we a little Heyyy and I'm sipping on some friendship. I'm fucking on this French bitch, just fucking up our friendship.
In the trenches, getting racks, bitch, whoa.
I remember cold nights, it was ratchet.
And I'ma keep going.
I ain't looking back, yeah.
Skrrp busting crate and break straight out the package. Roaches in the walls, yeah, we really in the trenches. Savage acting up, yeah, bitch, you want attention. Chewy keep barking, I know he just want attention. Starting little Heyyy, but a mansion manifest.
True life, little Heyyy, MTV 06 shit. Knew I was gonna be on TV since a little jet.
Yeah. Started little Heyyy, but a mansion manifested. When I blow the fuck up, y'all gonna remember this shit. I really want you, but I don't know how to tell you. It's been so long since I felt love like this. When I was young, my heart was open. I wasn't scared of my emotions. But now I've been deceived and hurt, and my heart's frozen.
Mic check. Is this on?